Hi guys, I came to talk to you today about the color of the year. So let's go. Every year, Pantone company chooses a color as the color of the year and introduces it. This year, for the first time, Pantone company invented a new color and introduced it to us as the color of the year. This color is called Very Pretty and it is a blue with purple and red undertones. This color is called Very Pretty, the happiest, liveliest and warmest blue among all the blue tonics we have had so far. The color of 2022, as attractive and new as the sounds, is also challenging to set. To make things easier, Pantone has created a balancing color palette for this new color to maintain a balance of warm and cool colors in your style or home. In addition, the use of these complementary colors help to make Very Pretty purple look more striking than ever. It may be a little hard to believe, but the new purple can be set with 7 other colors. This variety gives you a lot of choice and leaves you completely free. First of all, such variety helps you not to recreate everything to set with this new color. From shades of blue to white, yellow to red and brown, they all match the Very Pretty shade well. We can set these colors with pastel colors because these colors is also one of the pastel color and is compatible with its one pastel colors, especially yellow and blue. For more casual style, you can use white and black. You can also set it with neutral colors. If we look at the color circle, we see that the Very Pretty color is between blue and purple, neither too blue nor too purple. Now, if you want to combine it, we can combine it with the colors next to it, which can be blue or purple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to see new videos.